Alright you guys, the Tomei is finally installed. Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have a 350Z I love to make content on. Also have a Yamaha R6 for all the motorcycle people out there. So stay tuned for moto vlogs. Those are coming real soon. And I love hitting up car shows and car meets, so you can always find that type of content on my page. Alright y'all, enough talking. Let's get this show on the road. Here is the Tomei single exit exhaust. I did buy this used for a good price, so you guys are going to see scuffs here and there. But it is what it is. I just wanted to see how the full titanium system sounds on the 350Z. So be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. That way you guys could hear how it sounds. And yeah, the install should be pretty straightforward. It's like 2 bolts and you just got to connect the 3 pieces together. So let's get it going. Here is a look at the exhaust before it goes onto the car. Comes in 3 pieces. You guys could see a little blue tint going on right there. Other than that, the rest of the exhaust looks like it hasn't even ever been used. This part connects to the Y pipe. This is the mid section right here, and here is the muffler. So I already took off my other exhaust from 350Z. The rear end's looking super naked, especially with the bumper cut. Alright you guys, the Tomei is finally installed. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the bottom of the car and show you guys all the sick colors of the titanium just changing. Have the Y pipe right there. Let me see if I can show you guys the test pipes as well. There are the test pipes going to the Y pipe. Literally a work of art. I love it. Alright, time to start this thing up. Let's see how loud the full titanium system is. Also gonna check to see if there are any leaks. That way I could take care of those right now. And yeah, and then we'll go on a little drive. I'm not ready. I am not ready. Woo. Oh, I'm about to get in so much trouble. I thought my GTR exhaust was loud, but this is just on another level. I'll show you guys some sound clips right after I'm done washing this thing. hear the pops. I've been kind of lagging on finishing up this video. I've had the Tomei on the 350Z for about a week now, and I'm already having bad luck with it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I already got pulled over, which next video I'll be explaining what went down, and I gotta say it was pretty crazy. I've only been pulled over 2 times in my whole driving career. What the hell? But yeah, I've only been pulled over twice ever since I got my license, and I was pretty nervous, I ain't gonna lie. The cop was cool though, so wait for the next video, it's gonna be pretty lit. I know a lot of you guys are curious on what went down that day. Oh man, just got pulled over. I'm gonna show you guys how this Tomei sounds. I'm not gonna be doing any flybys or anything, just because I want to save that for a separate video. I'm gonna give you guys some revs, go from 3,000 to 5,000, and you know, damn near red line. Here is the idle. I'm so excited. I love hearing. I haven't been able to rev this thing out yet. I hope the camera captured how insane this exhaust is. That was literally my first time like revving it out all the way, because I've just been like terrified of how loud it is. So for everyone that's curious, I'm not gonna be keeping this setup. I just wanted to buy it just to, like, you know, witness it, see what all the hype's about, and I gotta say it's pretty crazy. Yeah, I would buy it, but you know, I got my center exit GTR exhaust, so I'm gonna be sticking with that for sure. This is a little just temporary setup, you know, just try out new shit. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel, and it just helps me see how much like you guys like the content. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I think we're at like 1.3K, and I gotta say huge shout out to all you guys, man. Completely insane. Thank you so much for all the love, especially on the recent video. I know I mentioned it earlier in this one, the Tomei test bike videos at like, I think like 2.7K views. So thank you guys so much. See you guys on the next one. Peace. You know what, screw it. If you're a real one and you sticked around to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys one pull. It's only right.